First, we open the official website and click on Downloads. Click it. Find the corresponding file to where we want. Usually we take V4 as example. Once we complete the file we have here, as we've already have one. Okay, it's a Chinese form, so we should wait. We can introduce something to you that may appear on the system, so I want you to turn on the Win+X. Open up this device manager and find the serial port. The universal bus controller here. And you can see, we have the ZLG USB CAN here, and once I unplug this ZLG USB to CAN. Unplug this and I refresh it. Okay, now the ZLCAN is back. Once I plug the device, I have to do the installation again. So we have completed downloading the file. And what we can do is unzip this to desktop. Now we open up this running environment. The required libraries like I explained to you before. First of all is Microsoft Library. Click on Next Step. Wait until this finish. Yeah, we gotta take some patience here. Usually about a Visual Studio, a C++. Excellent. And here is the USB to CAN. I want you to click all the next and install it. Once we finish, we are successfully fine. On the device manager, the USB to CAN is back on this bus controllers. Actually not here universal. I think we have to refresh it. We have seen this ZLG CAN back. Oh, now I want you to use this as setup software. Opens up, try to connect. There were several message report that it tells the error. But we can solve it by different errors. First of all, you can see this is sending message failed. Check the motor status. CAN device and wiring are correct. So we have to look up by this ZLG USB to CAN first. Equipment inspection.
Try to see if there's any burning sign, or if we keep the resistor switch on and we go followed by those two lines, red, white on the top, CAN L, and yellow on the bottom, CAN H. Okay, seems fine, and we have to establish a firm contact with the metal part and also the CAN L. Okay. And we're gonna check out the lighter indicator is stable.
Now it's perfect. We can try to round this thing by the position mode. We can order to 100. And speed as 100 RPM. Yeah, as you can see, it's arrived at the desired destination, so here is the whole process. Frequently asked questions. Basically everything you need to know about this software. Once you find some Adele missing like this, if you find OK doesn't affect. I would say the missing del wouldn't help to open up the software. We're gonna do is to find all the del file and put back. On this package. Now we successfully connect again.